Hello, my name is Kenny Davila, and in this video I will show you the basics of the chart annotation tool. In order to use this tool, you must have created a configuration file which tells the tool where to find the images that we want to annotate. At the same time, the configuration also tells the tool where do we want to save the corresponding annotations for each of these images. You can find more information about this on the README. The annotation tool scans all images found in the input directory. It will assume that these images represent charts that we want to annotate. In this particular example, the tool found a total of 57 images, as it is shown in the top right corner of the tool. These images will be divided into smaller set of images, also called pages. Each page has a maximum of 24 charts. We can navigate through the pages using the buttons at the bottom of the tool. As you can see here, you can click on each of these and it will take you to the corresponding page, where you can at the same time click on individual images that you want to annotate. Alternatively, you can also use the buttons found in the right panel to go through each image on the corresponding page. When you are near the bottom of a page and you click on next, it will automatically take you to the next page. Similarly, if you are at the top image of the current page and you click on previous, it will take you to the last image of the previous page. One very important element of the annotation interface is the bars that you will see at the bottom of each image. These bars represent the progress of the annotation process. Each of these bars indicates one specific item. As you can see here, the first one represents the panels, the second one represents the classes, the third one represents the text, fourth one represents the legend, this one represents the access, and the last one represents the data. At the beginning, they should all be red, which means that there is no annotations provided for this image. As you start annotating each of these elements, you will notice that each of these bars will switch to yellow. Yellow means that there is an annotation, but the annotation has not been validated yet by the administrator. When the administrator validates your annotations, then they will be marked in green, which means they are ready to be used. The last element to consider on this interface is the Annotate button. Here, when you click on it, you will see all the options to do the annotation for each image, which I will be explaining in other videos. Once that you are done, click on Return to go back to the previous interface. When you are finished, click on Exit to close the tool.